Uh, Now we are going to see third sum in 6.1 of 9th standard max. Okay, it's given as 2 cos theta is equal to root 3. Only this is given and asked to find all the trigonometric ratios. Alright, so from this I can write like cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So let us draw a triangle, right angle triangle like this. Alright, so let me put this to be A, B, C. Now this triangle is right angled at B. Okay, let the theta be here. So this will be the opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Cos theta, you know, it is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is root 3 and hypotenuse is 2. So you have to find out this side now. So using Pythagoras theorem you can find this one to be like 2 square, which is a hypotenuse 2 square, is equal to adjacent square, that is root 3 the whole square, plus AB square. So we can find out what is AB now, what is opposite side. Okay, 2 square minus root 3 the whole square will be AB square. So AB square is equal to 2 square minus root 3 the whole square. So that is equal to 4 minus squaring root 3, you will get 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So that means the opposite side is 1. Now you can write all the trigonometric ratios. Okay, sin theta is equal to opposite side, that is 1, divided by hypotenuse 2, cos theta, adjacent side, that is root 3 by hypotenuse 2, tan theta will be equal to cos by sin, so 1 by root 3, then cot theta, which is 1 by tan theta, that means inverse of this, only root 3. Okay, so cosecant theta, which is inverse of sin, then it is 2 by 1, that means only 2, and then secant theta, which is inverse of cos, 2 by root 3. Fourth sum is cos A is equal to 3 by 5 is given, we have to find. Okay, so for this let us put a triangle, right angle triangle, which is right angled over here. Let this be A, B and C. So it has to find sin A and cos A is given, right? So I can put theta over here. So this will be the opposite side, this will be hypotenuse, and this will be the adjacent side. Okay, so cos A, we know that it is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse value is 5. Okay, the opposite side, opposite to A. Okay, so opposite to A. So this is the, this is adjacent by hypotenuse, so adjacent, so this is be 3. So you need to find out what is BC now. Since cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, so this is 3, 5. Now let us find out BC, which is the opposite side. Okay, 5 square, using Pythagoras theorem, 5 square is equal to 3 square plus BC square. So this is the opposite side. So BC square is equal to 5 square minus 3 square. So that is equal to 25 minus 9. So 25 minus 9 will be equal to 16. So BC square is equal to 16. So BC will be equal to root of 16, that is equal to 4, because 4 4s are 16. So this we have found it to be 4. Now let us find what is sin A. Cos A already given. Let us find what is sin A, what is tan A, and then substitute in this. So sin A is equal to opposite side, that is 4 by hypotenuse 5, and tan A is sin A by cos A. So that means or else you can say opposite by adjacent side. So opposite side is 4, adjacent side is 3. So let us substitute all this data, sin A and cos A and then tan A in this, okay, to find the value of it. So what is asked? Sin A minus cos A divided by 2 tan A is asked. Okay, so that is equal to sin A is 4 by 5 minus cos A is 3 by 5 the whole divided by 2. Tan A is 4 by 3. So 4 by 3. Just you have to simplify now. Okay. So this is equal to, make it common, 5. 4 minus 3 is 1 divided by 2 into 4, 8 by 3. Alright, this will be equal to 1 by 5 into 3 by 8. So that is equal to 3 by 8. 5 are 40. 3 by 40 will be the answer.